guys, today we are unboxing this car. This is so cool, guys. I love this toy. It is a Mercedes Benz. I have a car outside. It's Mercedes Benz because my daddy is nice. Okay, and then so we're going to unbox this car. Oh my gosh, look at this. The back and the sides. No, that's okay. We have tape here. That's not nice. Here's tape. My dad is watching Mr. Bean. It is the 1990 show. Okay, let's start with this. Who unboxed it? No, next we're gonna. Alright. Oh my gosh. How are we gonna open this thing? It's so hard. It's already 1 minute. We messing up. Oh, look at this. What? Hey? Are you serious? Oh, there it is. There it is. There's our car. There's our car. Oh, there it is. Oh my gosh, we got this Mercedes Benz. Oh wow, this is 300% gold. Oh my gosh. Let's see the movie. Whoa, what is I like toys. These are very cool. It's like a miniature car. It's a small Mercedes Benz. See that? But it's the logo Mercedes Benz. So I don't know what's this. I love my car. I'm going to display it here. I'm going to display it there. Wow, this is cool, isn't it? We're watching Mr. Bean. I'm gonna still watch with him. Bye.